Everybody stand. Angel of God.
Angel of God, my guardian angel, come and sacrament me. Ever this day be my side to light and guard to world and guide. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
How are you this morning?
We are fine, thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Who are absent today?
None, teacher.
Very good. Seems like you really want to know our class today. Since I am your teacher today, I have here a golden rules for you to follow. Everybody read.
Be participative. Be attentive and listen to instructions carefully. Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
I have here a mystery box. All you have to do is to guess the picture inside this box. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Anyone? Okay, Karen. What is that?
It is rocks, teacher.
Very good. Place it on the board. Another. Yes, Cristoro. Another. How have you observed that picture? Another. Another rock picture. Very good. Yes, so let's.
This is igneous rock picture.
Very good. What? What have you observed in this picture?
Teacher,
Yes, Rio.
there are different colors of rocks.
Very good. Give 5 claps for Rio. So, I will show you a video. And all you have to do is to observe it carefully because I give you a manila paper for you to answer. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
But before that, I will group you into 3 groups. This will be the group 1, group 2, and group 3. Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Hi, good morning, teacher. Yes, we. Here. Do not answer it first. You watch the video first. Listen and observe it carefully for you to answer the questions inside the manila paper.
Rocks are constantly changing on Earth. Most of the rocks today on Earth are only 100 million years old. If we look at certain rocks today and go back some million years, that rock would be in a completely different form and shape. Rocks constantly change their formations and transport around the Earth through a sequence of events involving the formation, alteration, destruction, and reformation as a result of natural processes. Rocks are naturally occurring. They are a solid collection of mineral grains and chemicals. They are formed in different ways and are classified upon the quantity of minerals in them, their chemical composition, and by the ways they were formed. The mantle, crust, and surface of the Earth can be thought of as a giant recycling machine. Rocks are neither created nor destroyed, but redistributed and transformed from one rock type to another. The rock cycle involves the recognition of three main classes of rocks, which are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are those types of rocks which are formed when magma or lava cools down. Igneous rocks can be categorized into two types. When magma cools down inside the earth slowly, it creates intrusive igneous rocks, and the slow cooling process allows large intrusive crystals to form. But when magma is pushed from the volcanoes during eruptions, they are described as lava, and when that lava cools down, they form extrusive igneous rocks, and because of the fast cooling process of these rocks, they contain a very small amount of crystals in them. Examples of igneous rocks include basalt and granite. These extrusive igneous rocks are then broken down into very small pieces with weathering of rocks by wind, air, water, ice, and gravity, and are transported across the planet. Once enough of these small rocks are gathered and settled together, the bottom layers of these rocks are compressed by gravity and are cemented together, and then they are converted into another kind of rock called sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed by sediment that is deposited over time, usually as layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans. This sediment can include minerals, small pieces of plants, or other organic matter. Sedimentary rocks form layers called strata, which can often be seen in exposed cliffs. Examples of sedimentary rocks include limestone, sandstone, mudstone, chalk, and coal. Sedimentary rocks are very soft as well. When we find sedimentary rocks, we can work out what the environment was like when those rocks were formed. However, there is another kind of rock called metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are changed in physical or chemical form from older rocks. All three kinds of rocks may change into metamorphic rocks. Heat and pressure inside Earth causes older rocks to change into new ones. Metamorphic rocks can be formed from other metamorphic rocks, and they can form from sedimentary and igneous rocks too. If the igneous rock basalt is exposed to sufficient heat and pressure, it can be transformed into the metamorphic rock called metabasalt. The most common type of metamorphic rock is gneiss, and it forms from granite, which is an igneous rock. Granite has mineral grains of different colors. Sedimentary rocks can transform into metamorphic rocks as well. For example, sandstone becomes quartzite, shale becomes slate, limestone becomes marble. The rock cycle does not go in just one direction. Any given rock can go through any part of the cycle any number of times.
Are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
So paste it on the board. Then choose one representative to present your work. Choose one representative to present your work. Group 1.
You have to elaborate how igneous rocks are formed. So igneous rocks are those types of rocks which are formed when a magma or lava cools down.
Very good. Give 5 claps for group 1. How about the group 2?
Okay. This is the work of Group 2. Our question is, you have to elaborate how sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are formed by sediments that is deposited over time, usually as layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans or other bodies of water.
Very good. Give 3 claps for group 2.
One,
Everybody!
two, three.
How about the group 3?
So our assigned question is to elaborate how metamorphic rocks are formed. So metamorphic rocks are formed from other rocks, which is the sedimentary and the igneous rocks. Thank you.
Very good. Give 3 claps for group 3.
1, 2, 3.
So based on the video that has been presented, what do you think our topic this morning? Anyone? Yes, Miss Tara?
I think our topic for today is all about how rocks are formed.
Very good. Exactly. You answered my questions. Give 5 claps for Miss Tara.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So our topic this morning is all about how rocks are formed. And before we proceed into our discussion, I have here an objectives for you to attend our lesson this morning. Everybody read.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify and explain the process on how types of rocks are formed, draw the rock cycle and its process, and give the importance of rocks.
Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, based on the video that has been presented, what is rocks? Anyone?
Teacher.
What is rocks?
Teacher.
Yes, Rio?
Rock are materials or matter that is used for building houses.
Very good. Give 2 claps for Rio. And 2. So the rock cycle involves the recognition of 3 main classes of rocks, which are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So now, what is igneous rocks and how they form it? Anyone? Based on the video that I've been presented? Yes, Restauro.
Igneous rock, teacher, are those types of rocks which are formed when magma or lava cools down.
Very good. Give 2 claps for Restauro. So, the igneous rock, it is the rocks that the magma or lava cools down. Now, class. What? Oh. So, what are the 3 types of rocks? Anyone? Yes, Priscilla?
The igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and the metamorphic rock.
Very good. Give 3 claps for Presley. So now, class, what are the second types of rocks? Anyone? Yes, Aguo.
Sedimentary rocks, teacher.
Very good. And how the sedimentary rocks are formed?
Sedimentary rocks are formed by sediments that is deposited over time, usually as layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans or other bodies of water.
Very good. Give 3 claps for Aguo. Give 2 examples of sedimentary rocks. Anyone? Give 2 examples of sedimentary rocks. Yes, Mr. Rock.
2 examples of sedimentary sedimentary rocks are breccia and chalk.
Very good. Give 2 claps for restaurant. So now, what are the third types of rocks?
Teacher,
Yes, Rio.
metamorphic rock.
Very good. And
Okay.
what is metamorphic rocks and how they forming it?
Metamorphic rock is formed from both the igneous and sedimentary rocks.
Very good. And also the metamorphic rocks, it is rocks it is the rocks formed from the rocks what is the sedimentary rocks are formed. So the rocks that the igneous rocks or the sediments of rocks are formed. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, I have here questions. And for those students who participate, I will give points. Am I clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, what are the 3 types of rocks?
Teacher.
Yes, Soles.
The 3 types of rock is igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock.
Very good. Give 3 claps for Soles. Now, how igneous rocks are formed?
Teacher.
Your own idea? Yes, Rio.
When the lava or magma comes out, when the magma comes out from the volcano or when the volcano erupted, and as the lava cools down, it will form into igneous rock.
Very good. Give 3 claps for Rio. So now, class, I have here a picture of the rock cycle. Again, class, what is this?
Rock cycle, teacher.
Very good. This is the rock cycles, and this there are 3 types of rocks which are igneous rocks, the sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So now, the sedimentary rocks become metamorphic rock because of the heat and the pressure, and then the igneous rocks, and then the metamorphic rocks, heat and pressure, it become
Metamorphic rock.
very good. And also the sedimentary rocks melting into the magma calls magma. Now class. Sige. Now class. Did you know, class, that the rocks are also used as fertilizer?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Why? Why, Restauro?
Because some rocks have minerals.
Very good. Give 2 claps for Restauro. So now, class, what is the importance of rocks in our life? Anyone? What is the importance of rocks in our life? Yes, Presley.
So the importance of rocks in our lives, it helps us to make buildings, and also to the construction workers, it provides them rocks to make buildings.
Very good. Give 3 claps for Presley. Rock is very important in our life for us to make houses, buildings, and etc. Now, who else? Yes, Restauro.
Rocks are important, teacher, because it has various uses. Like Can be a fertilizer, and it can be a house design, and many others.
Yes, very good. Give Jollibee claps for Restaro.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Jollibee!
So now, I have here we have an activity. I will group you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. All you have to do is to draw the rock cycle and its process. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
You have 3 minutes to draw. And before that, I have here a rubrics for you to attain. Everybody read for our rubrics.
Neatness, 50 points. Content, 50 points.
Total.
Total, 100 points.
Let's start. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Paste it on the board. Group 1, are you done?
Yes, it's good.
Oh, paste it on the board.
Total.
indicate more than pass. Read the direction first.
Choose the
Choose
letter
the correct answer.
Test 2.
What is the importance of rocks in human life?
Very. So you have 5 minutes to answer.
Teacher, wala ko ba sa teacher?
Don't copy the wrong answer on your
Wala, teacher.
classmates.
Little teacher.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Not yet.
Teacher, mana kay?
Kami na, teacher.
Don't copy the wrong answer on your CPA.
Done, teacher.
Okay, pass it forward. Are all papers in?
Yes, teacher.
Good. So for your assignment, for your assignment, everybody read.
In your home, search an example of the three